The letter VB represents the V sound. To make the V sound, start by closing your lips together. Then, use your voice as you release the air from your mouth. Now, say the sound B. You can say the V sound in a quick burst, like this, B. Say the word bat slowly and listen to the sound of the letter B at the beginning. Practice saying BB bat and notice how your lips feel when they come together to make the sound. The B sound can also be heard at the end of words like cab, rub, and sub. Place your hand on your throat as you say B and notice the vibration. This happens because /B/ is a voice sound. Bed, button, bell, bus. The letter VB spells the V sound. To write in uppercase V, start by drawing a straight line down. Then, draw two curves, one from the top and one from the middle, both curving to the right. To write a lowercase v, start by drawing a straight line down. Then, draw a small circle starting from the middle of the line, curving around to the right. That's how you write a lowercase v. Thank you. That's all today. See you tomorrow.